What's good, family? It is your brother Yusuf, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about digital marketing, digital product creation, what it is, what it isn't, and how you can get started today. So, if that's something that you may be interested in, if you are a struggling network marketer, struggling affiliate marketer, and you're looking to make a change, this might be a video that you want to stay tuned for. Holla at your boy. Be back.
Building dreams with Yusuf, profit in our hands. 2 hours daily grind, freedom in our plans. Stacks on stacks we see, digital currency, network lines connect.
What's good, family? It's your brother Yusuf, and I just wanted to really quickly introduce myself for those of you who are new to the channel. I am your brother, Yusuf Freeman L. I have been a full-time network marketer for the last 10 years. I have done everything from Amway to Live Good and everything in between. I chose several years ago to be a stay-at-home father. I knew that spending time with my daughter was more important than, grinding away at a 9 to 5. I wanted to make sure that she was being raised by a mother and father, not by a daycare. I wanted to make sure that she was being educated by her mother and father, not by a failing school system. So again, several years ago, I decided to make the transition to full-time affiliate marketer, network marketer, stay-at-home dad. Now, the last few months, the last few weeks, there's been a lot of talk online, a lot of talk on social media about digital marketing. I was really surprised, family, when I started hearing and seeing some of the explanations that are out there about digital marketing, what it is and what it isn't. Really simply, if you are online, if you're selling something online, if you have a website, if you have a email list, you're already a digital marketer. If you are promoting, Live Good or Amway or Mary Kay or what have you, and you're doing it through a website, you're already an affiliate marketer, or I'm sorry, a digital marketer, because you are using digital channels to market and promote your product. That's all a digital marketer is. So in 2024, we're trying to make it more glamorous than it is. People are making it harder than what it actually is. It's just a means of selling products over a digital channel. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, what's actually happening today in 2024, family, is more and more people are getting into digital products. That's the big kicker. Digital products, not digital marketing, but the actual digital product. Now, why is digital products the game changer? The reason that digital products are the game changer is because it only has to be created one time. You can literally sit at your computer, use ChatGPT or Midjourney or what have you to create a ebook, a PDF, a piece of art. You only create it one time, and you can literally sell it over and over and over again. Not only can you sell that one product over and over again, family, you can sell it to anybody, anywhere around the world. Anybody that has a internet connection is potentially your customer. So that's why people today are making these claims of 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a month. For a lot of network marketers, affiliate marketers, this is something that we can't fathom because we're used to making $9, $10 an item and having to build a team of 200 or 300 people in order to make $3 or $4, maybe $1,000. Digital products and digital marketing has completely changed the game, family. In other words, I have a done for you product that sells for $900. If you buy it and you then learn how to promote the product, which is in the product itself, because the product is an e-learning product, You then can turn around and sell that product and make the full $900 yourself. So that's what digital product creation does. I can actually sit here at my computer, spend a few hours putting together an e course, an e book, an e learning guide, and I can sell it anywhere around the world over and over and over and over again, making 100% profit, family. Do you see the big picture? Do you understand now how people are making 50, 60, $70,000 a month? If if it was confusing to you before, it should be pretty clear now. In other words, you have to change the mindset. You have to change the mindset from that MLM team building, 10%, downline metrics, blah, 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 to I'm learning the skill. That skill is going to help me promote a product. When I promote the product and I make a sale, I'm going to get 100%. I don't have to share it with anybody. That's the beauty of digital products and digital marketing. I hope you guys understand that. I hope that this video makes it clear. Um, Family, I'm sure you guys have questions. Whatever questions you have, drop them in the chat. I am here to not only document my journey, but I'm here to answer any questions that you guys may have. Um, I stated in a recent TikTok video, this is day number 2. This is only day number 2 for me in my digital marketing journey. Why is it day number 2? I started September 2nd. Today is actually October the 2nd. But today is only day number 2 because I jumped in, but I didn't follow the process. Now, over this last month, I've come to learn that this process actually works. I've actually made some sales. I'm actually building a business. So I decided to take a step back and start from the beginning and actually follow the process from the beginning. The reason that I did that, family, is because I know that the process works. So I can only imagine if I follow it step by step by step, how much quicker, how much faster, how much more in depth I'm going to be able to get with this information. So that's why I'm excited, family. I need you guys to like this video. I need you guys to share this video. I need you to make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. And again, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And I look forward to seeing you guys later this week. Have a great day. Peace.